Indeed, blockchain is one of the top emerging technology domains in the current scenario of the IT world. Statistically, the global market of blockchain technology is all set to grow around $20 billion by the year 2025. Meanwhile, blockchain is not only about Bitcoin, but it is something much enormous than that, and the technology is revolutionizing the functioning of the digital world in a more secure and efficient manner. There are various IT giants like Samsung, IBM, Capgemini, etc. that offer ravishing career opportunities for blockchain professionals, and you can consider becoming a blockchain developer to build a worthwhile and successful career. Before moving further, let's take a look at the question, who is a blockchain developer? Blockchain developers are those tech professionals who work on blockchain technology and responsible for the respective tasks such as designing the blockchain protocols, building smart contracts, etc. Meanwhile, blockchain technology is concerned with a distributed database that maintains the records of each and every transaction that has been executed across the network of computer systems around the globe. Furthermore, blockchain developers can be majorly classified into two types: blockchain software developer and core blockchain developer. Let's take a look at the roles and responsibilities of both the profiles. Core blockchain developer. Design the blockchain protocols and consensus protocols. Design and monitors the network architecture. Implement various blockchain features and functionality, etc. Blockchain software developer. Develops APIs for blockchain integration. Develop the front-end and back-end of decentralized applications. Develop and implement smart contracts, etc. As of now, you must have known about the blockchain developer job profile. Now the question arises, how to make a successful and worthwhile career as a blockchain developer? And with the same concern, let's go through the complete roadmap that you're required to follow to become a blockchain developer. 1. Start with the academics. First and foremost, you're recommended to have an academic background in computer science, information technology field. You can opt to earn a bachelor's or master's degree in a particular stream. However, it is not compulsory to have any specific academic background for becoming a blockchain developer, but it will help you to understand the fundamentals and will lay your foundation to learn the blockchain technology effectively. Apart from the degree programs, you can opt for several recommended training programs, etc., to get more exposure in the particular technology. Furthermore, almost every IT giant demands these educational qualifications as prerequisites, hence it will help you to get some ravishing career opportunities as well. 2. Get proficient with required tech skills. Before getting into the blockchain development domain, you're required to become proficient with several prerequisites technical skills. Let's take a look at these tech skills. Programming languages. You're required to learn the programming concepts, especially OOPS concepts, to become a blockchain developer. The sound knowledge of programming languages will help you to develop applications for blockchain and various other tasks conveniently. You can opt for programming languages like Java, C++, Python, etc. Data structures. 2. Along with the programming languages, you're required to command over the data structure concepts as well. Data structures are used by blockchain developers to develop the immutable and efficient system. You're required to have a thorough understanding of various data structures such as linked lists, binary trees, heap, hashing, graphs, and many more. Databases and networking. Furthermore, you're also required to have some fundamental knowledge of databases and networking concepts to start your blockchain developer's journey. It will help you to understand the mechanism of distributed systems and other crucial concepts for blockchain development. Cryptography. Cryptography is one of the must-have technical skills to become a blockchain developer. You're required to learn about various cryptographic concepts such as digital signatures, hash functions, RSA algorithm, and many more to lay your foundation for the blockchain development. Moreover, apart from these tech skills, you're required to be familiar with the web designing and development process, as it is one of the core aspects of blockchain development and will help you while developing dApps, handling APIs, etc. 3. Understand the basics of blockchain. Once you'll get done with the prerequisite tech skills, now you're required to understand the fundamentals of blockchain technology. You need to know about blockchain technology in detail, such as its working, applications, etc. You're required to have a sound knowledge of blockchain architecture and understand the concepts like consensus, hash functions, distributed ledger technology, etc. Furthermore, you need to learn about Bitcoin and other crucial concepts such as public and private approaches, decentralization, and many more. You can opt for various online and offline resources such as tutorials, journals, training and sessions, etc. to get a clear understanding of blockchain technology. 4. Learn about cryptonomics. Now let's move to another crucial aspect for getting into the blockchain development, cryptonomics. The word cryptonomics is generated by combining the two terms cryptography and economics. It is concerned with the process of understanding the economical concepts and methodologies behind the cryptocurrencies. You're required to learn about various crucial concepts such as transaction fees, mining, transaction lifecycle using Bitcoin, and many more to cover the Cryptonomics curriculum. However, cryptocurrency is just a minor part of entire blockchain technology, but you need to understand its mechanism in detail to understand the fundamentals of blockchain. 5. Get knowledge of Ethereum and dApps. Here comes one of the most prominent parts of blockchain development, Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source decentralized blockchain network that is used for running smart protocols and allows developing smart contracts and distributed applications, dApps, without the usual issues like downtime, fraud, third-party interference, and various others. Meanwhile, decentralized applications are the software systems that are developed on blockchain platforms such as Ethereum, etc. Moreover, there are several other renowned platforms as well like EOS, Hyperledger, etc. that can be considered for blockchain, but you're recommended to start your journey with Ethereum due to its versatile functionalities. 6. Learn about smart contracts and solidity. Let's dive deeper into the domain of blockchain and learn about other required concepts such as smart contracts, solidity, etc. When it comes to smart contracts, it is concerned with the protocols or instructions that are used for automation purposes, and there is not any third-party interference in this transaction event. Smart contracts work on three major components: deterministic, terminable, and isolation. Furthermore, solidity is a statically typed, high-level language used to write smart contracts and is majorly influenced by JavaScript. There are several other specific languages as well for writing smart contracts such as Viper, Simplicity, and many others. 7. Get some hands-on experience. Now what you need to do is gain some hands-on experience in the blockchain development domain. It will help you to implement all your theoretical learning into the practical world to gain more exposure and become more proficient with the particular technology and respective tools and platforms. You can prefer to write smart contracts, develop your own dApps, etc. Also, you can apply for various internship or training programs, as there you'll get all the required resources in the environment. Moreover, you can join several recommended discussion groups such as Reddit forums, Stack Exchange, etc. to connect with the blockchain professionals and get some useful insights and information. Furthermore, after going through the above-mentioned skills and approaches, you can opt for several relevant certifications such as IBM Blockchain Certification, Certified Blockchain Solution Architect, CBSA, etc. These certifications will not only help you to analyze and validate your learnings and skills, but can also land up you various ravishing career opportunities in the particular domain. Moreover, there are several most recommended books mentioned below that you can consider for making your journey of becoming a blockchain developer more worthwhile and convenient. The Blockchain Developer by Alad Elrom, Blockchain Revolution by Don and Alex Tapscott, The Book of Satoshi by Phil Champagne, and The Basics of Bitcoins and Blockchains by Anthony Lewis. So, this is a complete roadmap that you must need to follow to become a successful blockchain developer. However, the career path of becoming a blockchain professional is not so easy and requires a lot of dedication, hard work, and consistency from your side. But, considering the rapid growth of blockchain technology, the career scope of blockchain developers seems to be very ravishing and bright. Now, what are you waiting for? Prepare yourself to get into the blockchain development domain and achieve your career goals.